Hello, traders out there in Traderland. It's Wednesday, March 2nd, 2011, and the markets are closing right now as we speak. These numbers will not stay the same. The markets just now closed, so you'll see these start to adjust ever so slightly, but the Dow crawls back to positive territory after a drop today. We have the Dow barely in positive territory, the S&P just barely more than that, but you do have the Nasdaq up 0.4%, and just a shade above that you have the Russells. So you have the Nasdaq and Russells showing some strength here, but the banks lagged the broad markets all day long, 0.6% in the red. The markets are only as strong as the financials, and the bank index that we watch is the largest bank index out there. It's on the Nasdaq. 480 some, I believe, is the latest number of banks that this represents. That's no good. Gold slightly down. US dollar down, pulling. Let's see, US dollar. Wow, US dollar is down quite a bit, 0.5%. So that helped pull the markets up, I'm sure. You have crude oil. Check this out. Up over 2% again. So you have crude above $100. This is the first time this has happened in 2 years, gang, that we've closed above $100 per barrel. But even so, we're green. So here we are taking a look at the S&P daily. And we come crashing down yesterday, blasting through some major support areas. We have 1324, 1318 we were looking at. Then a monster trend line, this lower trend line that come up, finding support here. Boom, we crash down below it. Found support at this swing low right here. This major swing low, this swing high. It's kind of a flat high base type area. Goes back in time as acting as resistance too. That acted as nice support yesterday. Today, we rallied up, touched that trend line, come back down, and we're finding support at this level. Gang, we have a lower high, lower low. At this moment, we do have, in my book, the ability to go ahead and draw a trend line here. So that line is going to be that can act as resistance if we do start to go north. However, the big question is, can we go north here? Because with a lower high and a lower low, this second candlestick would have this tells me a lot. Because we didn't get this red candlestick following, we got a white one. Even with crude oil as high as it is. With that saying, man, I'm just not sure if we're going to drop here. Now, obviously anything can happen, but to see a stall after, I mean, look at the last time we had a big drop like this. See this big drop? Look at this big drop. Then we stalled the very next day. There's no follow through, and then we rallied right after that. Here, we had a big candlestick, we dropped, and we had a couple sessions that were, bearish territory. Short-lived, we rallied, but here we are again. But the problem is, look how many red candlesticks we're starting to get in such a small group here. So, yes, things are uncertain. We are below the zero line here on the histogram. That's no good. However, I see a support level at 1300. That's going to be key. 1306 is where we're really focusing on, but definitely we need to stay above 1300. If so, this is where we can start going into some choppy consolidation. And if so, this might be tough for all swing traders. However, it could be a day trader's delight. Thank you for being a part of Grok Trade, and thank you for making us one of your only stops or one of your additional stops when looking for your post-market data. Also, keep in mind we do pre-market data, and that will be a benefit to you as a day trader. Take care and safe trading. We'll talk to you soon.